X4 NVDA bridge connected. X4 accessibility ready. X4 accessibility ready.
Tell me again why we're stuck with maintenance duty in Mars of all places.
All right. Hello, everyone. This is Hadi. Welcome to this quick demo video of an extension I'm working on. Sorry about that. An extension I'm working on for the game X4 Foundations. We're going to talk about what it does and how it's going to help gamers who are visually impaired or blind. How's it going to help them play the game, and that it is not the only extension you need to play. And the most important one is Kuertee's accessibility features and how this extension works with that one, because you need both. So this extension that I'm working on enables the NVDA screen reader, which is a free screen reader, read the game UI elements, read them as you scroll through them with your keyboard or a controller. We're going to test it right now. I'm just going to decrease the speech rate of my screen reader in just a second.
Rate 70, rate 65, rate 60, rate 55, rate 50.
That should be fine. All right, let's scroll. So I loaded the game, and this is I press escape. So this is the menu. I'm gonna scroll with the arrow keys.
Exit the desktop. Exit the start menu. Settings. Extension options. Extension options. Play open universe. Launch your journey as a lone pilot and rise to become a galactic power in a large, persistent universe. Choosing your own path with optional story missions. It is recommended that new players complete the basic tutorials first. We then suggest you try timelines, but if you prefer a sandbox experience, then you can head straight to the open universe.
So you can see that it also reads tooltips. So we're gonna see how it reads tooltips. It reads the values if it's a setting item. So let's actually turn the music off.
Extension options. Settings.
Good music.
Online features. Extension display settings.
But I would like to
Graphics settings.
show you how it works.
Sound settings.
Sound settings.
Sound device. Select audio device dot. System default. Sound. Toggle audio on or off dot. On.
You can see the values are red.
Total volume. Set global game music volume. Set volume level for music tracks dot. 64. Total music volume. Set volume level for music tracks dot. 0.
That's a 0 because it's off. So NVDA is effortlessly reading what we're focusing on, and this works with the settings. It works with the different game UI windows, and most importantly, it's going to work with the Kuertee's accessibility features mod, which is extremely needed to play this game if you are visually impaired or blind.
Sound settings. Graphics settings. Display settings. Extensions. The open universe display settings. Graphics settings.
Let's show you one more example.
Sound set game settings.
Here.
Autosave on.
It says autosave is on, so if I press enter.
Autosave off.
Off.
Autosave interval. Saves automatically after the interval. Emergency eject. If possible, auto roll when enabled. Your ship will collision avoidance. Tries to auto roll. Emergency eject. If possible, autosave off. Autosave on.
There you go. All right. Now let's talk about Kuertee's, and I hope I pronounce his name correctly. Let's talk about his extension, because that one is extremely important to have. That extension helps you to perform actions that need hand-eye coordination or the mouse, such as walking in the ship or taking control of the command, exiting out of the hatch, giving you a list of ships that are in the sector. We're going to see that, and we're going to see how this extension, my extension, the NVDA accessibility, or rather NVDA extension for X4 accessibility, I still haven't named it yet, how it's going to perform on that extension.
Settings.
Back our backyard.
So
Item
This one's
658.
fine.
I pressed J. That's the key I set for the navigation computer. Now this is the extension that I was talking about. Now this.
Exit airlock of Kuertee to spacewalk. Change category. Satellite 118.85 m. Mission target. Terran protectorate. Accelerator 204.54 kilometers. Destination. Accelerator. Accelerator 245.24 kilometers. Destination. Accelerator.
You can see that it's showing us the.
Satellite. Change category.
I believe this is
Item 600. Current category. Points of interest.
points of interest. So
People in Kuertee. Shipyards and wars. Stations and sector. Ships and sector. Item 686. Exit airlock of country to spacewalk. Change category. Velvet Thunder 107M. Terran Protectorate. Ter High-Tech Crater Okinawa 16.18 kilometers. Terran Protectorate. Ter High-Tech Crater Baldric 38.96 kilometers. Terran Protectorate.
Go check that satellite over there. I'll just head over this way.
I was just trying to get it to see.
Exit airlock of change category. Velvet Thunder 1.18 change. Item 7. Points of interest. Item 700. Exit airlock of change category. Mars 113.6.
There we go. So now it wants us to go to Mars. So
change Mars 113.61 kilometers. Mission target Terran Protectorate. Item 740. Autopilot to Mars.
Engaged.
now you can see that the ship is going to engage its autopilot and head to Mars.
Seriously, we're already 3 months out of cadet school and they still fob us off with housekeeping jobs. We should be out there with intervention, saving the universe.
I think it's going to talk more. I'm just going to wait for it to stop.
Wait, that one's missing. Why is it? Mission Command says to just deploy a new one. See? They don't even care.
All right. So, the NVDA extension is going to solve several issues that we have, because me and a couple of friends have been playing this game with Kuertee's accessibility features mod, and it's great. They spend a lot of time making it, and it's perfect. We did have several issues that the NVDA extension is going to solve. Issue 1 was that this menu needed to be read by OCR, optical character recognition, and that is not 100% reliable. Now, Kuertee has done very well. He's tried to make it readable as much as he can with the OCR, but when you perform an OCR, sometimes it depends on the lighting and it depends on a lot of things, the colors and everything. It misses items, it misplaces them, as in it tells something is up there but it's just at the bottom, so it's just not consistent, and sometimes it just doesn't read anything, so you have to rescan the screen. So slow and not consistent. So that's not what we want. Now the NVDA extension is just going to solve that immediately.
Mars 122.56 kilometers. Mission target Terran Protectorate. Accelerator.
We can just
Mars,
read it.
change exit airlock of change category.
Easy. So that problem completely gone, which is a very, very big improvement here. And obviously we can read the game settings and adjust them and assign hotkeys, all that stuff. It was really extremely hard to do, and that's done. Now issue 2. The Kuertee's extension, accessibility features extension, is great, but it's missing features, and to be honest, we shouldn't expect Kuertee to include or redesign all the game UIs into this navigation computer, because that would be a lot of work. So what's going to happen is that the NVDA extension is going to read other game UI elements, such as the trading screens, maybe ship design, maybe space station design, ship upgrading, that kind
Active
of
weapon group on, off, dock permission, keyboard modes. Deployed, civilian modes. Deployed, military. No military deployables on board.
So see, this UI is not is the game's native
Modes deployed.
menu, right? And we can read it.
Exit to start menu.
So that issue also is going to be solved. I still have to work on it. We do have some limitations, and I'm sure EgoSoft will be very responsive, because I know that if we contact them and tell them, hey, make this game 100% playable for visually impaired players, obviously that's just a lot of work, but small issues to make our lives easier. Now that we have all these extensions in place, I'm sure they'll be responsive. But I won't talk about limitations in this video. That's a different topic. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope to see you soon. The extension is the development is going really well. It'll be probably out for testing very soon, and really grateful for Kuertee's extension, which actually is the core
Exit the start menu.
extension here, which makes it possible for us to do a lot of things that you need the mouse for. And I hope to see you all soon with another video.